Привет, дорогие друзья, and welcome to our third lesson of Russian language. Today you will learn 7 new letters of Russian alphabet, but before, as I promised you, we will discuss one interesting fact about Russian traditions. Everyone knows that matryoshka is a traditional Russian doll. It's like a symbol of Russia. But I have an information that it came from Japan. So is it true or not? What do you think? The first letter for today's lesson is letter K, and it sounds like K. Let's read some words with this letter. And do you remember our old friend? Это кошка. К. Кошка. Или кот. Космос. Кот. Кошка. Куба. Кабинет. Кактус. Казань. That is a Russian city. Какаду. Какао. Dry feet. So, the next letter is letter L, and it sounds like L. Words with this letter. Лампа. Литр. Людмила. Малыш. Лимон. Лифт. Адмирал. Сталь. The next letter is letter M, and it sounds like M. For example, Москва, Минск, Максим, метро, мяч, астроном, медведь, минимум.
Минимум слов, минимум стресса.
The next letter is letter N, and it sounds like N. Ночь, нос, один, Динамо, осень, Николай, династия, луна, ноутбук, норма. And what is the next letter? It is O. And when you are surprised, you can say O, да? And it sounds the same. O. Омск, Ольга, опера, он, они, фото, 100, Платон, стол, ой, слон. Ой, тоже подходит. Ой. Слон, очки, молоко. The penultimate letter is letter P, and it sounds like P. Порт, пирамида, Петр, пантера, парк, пикник, папайя, пятница, принцип. And the last letter for today, that's my favorite letter, that's R, and it sounds like R. Россия, рекорд, рубль, ура, аквариум, река, Раиса, ручка, работа, робот. Sure, but in Japan я опять неправильно сказала.
Да, ты опять неправильно сказала.
Holy shit! Let's turn to our fact about matryoshka. Actually, no one knows where it came from, but the most popular legend says that it was made by one Russian monk in Japan. Yes. The lesson is over, and subscribe to my channel not to miss new videos. And by the way, I have Instagram and Telegram, and this social media will help you greatly to learn Russian more and more. So thank you for being with me, and see you soon. До новых встреч!